Hello, children. Today we will start our miscellaneous exercise. Okay. So before this exercise, there are some examples which are most important. Okay. So we will do all these examples in our next class. Fine. Today we will start our miscellaneous exercise and we will solve the question of this exercise only. Fine. Examples we will solve in the next class. Okay, so this is a most important exercise, so please concentrate because the question would be difficult. Fine. So if you will not concentrate, you will not understand the concept. So let's start our exercise, miscellaneous exercise of chapter permutation combination. Okay, so let me open the book. So now I'm solving question number 1. So I'm reading the question. How many words with or without meaning, each of two vowels and three consonants, can be formed from the letter of the word daughter? So DAUGHTER. This is given to you. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8-letter word it is. Okay. So we have to make the combination of two vowels and three consonants. Okay, can be formed from the letter of the word daughter. See, first of all you have to check how many vowels are there. So this is first, second, third. So AUE, there are three vowels. Okay, consonants are D, G, H, T, R. There are 5 consonants. Okay, so we have to choose two vowels because combination of two vowels we need. So there are total choices, we have 3 and we have to choose only 2. Fine. Into what we have to choose, 3 consonants. So we have total 5 consonants and we have to choose 3 consonants. Okay, now when you will, suppose you have arranged all the 5. See, you have make 5 letters word. Okay, according to the question. So if you are getting any word here, fine, you have put A U E. Any two words you have choose from this A U E. Any two words. Suppose these two places are occupied, and any 3 words you have choose from consonants. So this and this place is occupied. So for this place, you can choose. You have choose 5 words, no? So you have 5 words which you have choose. So from all the 5 words to fill this place, you have total 5 choices. Any one of the word you can put at this place. So for this you have 5 choices, and for this place you have 4 choices. For this place you have 3 choices. 1 1 1 कम होती जाएंगी choices because आप places fill कर रहे हो. 5 words में से आपने एक word इसको fill कर दिया, इस blank को fill कर दिया, तो आपके पास total 4 words बचे. तो इस वाले place के लिए आपके पास 4 choices हैं, इस वाले place के लिए आपके पास 3 choices हैं, इसके लिए 2, इसके लिए 1. So this is what? This is 5 factorial. So multiply this by 5 factorial also. So when you will solve all these, you will get the answer. Okay, so your answer would be 3600. You can solve. So this is your question number 1. Next, question number 2. Are you getting my points? How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? So this equation, this is given to us, word equations. It is equation only, not equations. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is also a 8-letter word. Vowels and consonants are, this is your, there are 5 consonants: E, U, A, I, O. Sorry, these are vowels. You have 5 vowels. And consonants: Q, T, N. There are 3 consonants in this question. Okay. So you have to use all letters. That means 8-letter word you have to make. You have to use all the alphabets. Okay. So let me read the question. The most important thing, it is saying that all vowels and all consonants comes together. Suppose these vowels are coming first. This is your only one type, one choice. And there is another, this box, this is QT, and where consonants are coming, this is your second choice. Okay, first of all, you can put vowels first, then consonants, and second choices, you can put consonant first, then vowels. So that means 2 choices you have. Actually, pen is not working, just wait. That means you have 2 choices to shift that. And now, to arrange the vowels, so here 5 vowels you are using. So here O is coming, here E also can come. Fine. So for this place, there are total 5 vowels we are using here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to arrange vowels, for first vowel you have 5 choices. For this you have 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. That means what? By 5 factorial way, you can arrange the vowels. Similarly, for consonants, you have 3 consonants. So for this place, you have 3 choices. For this place, you have 2. For this place, you have 1. Or you can start from here also, 3, 2, 1. The answer will come same. Okay. So I'm taking from this this corner. You can start from this corner also. This is 3, 2, 1 according to that. So this is a 3 factorial. So you can arrange the consonants by 3 factorial way. Fine. So just multiply all that. That is 5i factorial into 3 factorial into 2. So you will get the final answer. This is how you can arrange these words. Okay, children? Got it? So simplify it. When you will solve this, you will get the answer. बच्चे जो मैं फॉर्मूलास लिख लिख के छोड़ रहा हूँ ना, इनको सॉल्व करना है आपने. हर एक क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से सॉल्व करो. ठीक है. अगर आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा तो मुझे पर्सनली सेंड कर दिया करो, ग्रुप में डाल दिया करो एज यू विश. ठीक है. और कोई डाउट होता है तो यू कैन आस्क, और पूछा भी किया करो. So next question number 3. Question number 3. A community of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys. You have boys 9, girls 4. Okay, you have to make a community of 7 person. In how many ways can be done when the consist of first point? Exactly 3 गर्ल्स होनी चाहिए जी. ठीक है जी. For 3 girls, there are total 4 girls, so you can choose only 3. Fine. That's why we are combining here. There is a selection, so that's why we are applying combination. Into total boys are 9, so you have to choose 4 because we have to make a community of 7. So 3 girls you have choose from 4 girls, and then only one choice you have, that is you can choose 4 boys from 9 boys. Okay, so simplify it, you will get the answer of first part. Fine. So when you will solve, you will get 504. This is the answer of first part. Similarly in second part, part is at least 3 girls. So that means girls maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe not more than 4, because there are total only 4 girls are there. So at least 3 he is talking about. So first of all we are considering 3 only. This combination, 3 girls 4 boys we are choosing, and plus here we are choosing 4 girls. If you have choose 4 girls, then you have to choose 3 boys out of 9. So these two combination you have to solve, children, because question में कह रहे at least, actually pen is not working, so this is 4. Okay, so question में कह रहा है at least 3 girls, so maybe 3 or more than that. अब पहले आपने गर्ल्स 3 लेनी है, ठीक है, गर्ल्स 3 होंगे तो बॉयज़ 4 लेने पड़ेंगे. अब आपने नेक्स्ट में प्लस, ये भी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपकी गर्ल्स 4 हो और बॉयज़ आपको 3 होंगे. फिर 4 से ज़्यादा गर्ल्स ले नहीं सकते क्योंकि आपकी गर्ल्स टोटल आपको 4 ही गिवन है. ठीक है. थर्ड पार्ट, में बच्चे एट मोस्ट 3 गर्ल्स, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 गर्ल्स हो सकती हैं. ठीक है. फर्स्ट केस तो आपका हो गया कि आपने कोई गर्ल ही नहीं चूज करी. एट मोस्ट का मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3 गर्ल हो, तो हम पहले लेके चलते हैं 0 गर्ल्स, तो आपने सारे के सारे बॉयज चूज कर लिए. प्लस सेकंड चॉइस आपकी हो गई, आपने एक गर्ल को चूज करा, इनटू बॉयज ले लिए 6, प्लस आपने 2 गर्ल्स को चूज करा और बॉयज ले लिए 5, आपने 3 गर्ल्स को चूज करा और बॉयज ले लिए 4. सो ये पॉसिबल बेटा कॉम्बिनेशन बनते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज, इनको जब सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व करके बता देता हूँ. 1632 आंसर आएगा इसका. 1632. This is 2. Okay, actually pen is not working, so at very late night I'm making this video, so that's why I cannot arrange another marker. 1632. Okay, so solve it. So question are difficult, so if you have any doubt, any query, if you're not getting any concept, so please ask. Again and again I'm telling you, because this chapter is a little bit tricky. Now see children, here is a question number 4. In all the different permutation, all the letters of the word examination, this letter of this word is given to us, are listed as in the dictionary. How many words are there in the list before the first word starting with E? See children, here we have to find the word. If you have seen the dictionary, so the question is, जो word है आपका, it must be appear the list before the first word starting with E. Okay, so only A is coming before E. Okay, so if we will fix A on the first word at a position first, so next to 10 position, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because there are total 11 words. Okay, so we have fixed only the A is coming before E only. So if we will fix A at this extreme position, so now we have a 10 choices to fill that. Okay, and 10 choices means 10 factorial, and in between them your I is coming 2 times and N is coming 2 times, so you will write 2 factorial and 2 factorial. A is also coming, but you have fixed A here, so only one A is coming here, so that's why for A we will not write 2 factorial in the denominator. So this 2 factorial is for I and this 2 factorial is for N. So just solve it and you will get the answer. This 10 factorial is coming because we have to fill 10 places. We have a 10 selections. Okay. We have to arrange 10 words. So this is how, and when you will solve it, so I'm writing the answer as 907200. This would be the answer. So simplify it. Okay. So note it down, children. Now the next question is question number 5 of a miscellaneous exercise. How many 6-digit number can be formed from the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are divisible by 9, divisible by 10, and no digit is repeated? Okay. We have to make a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine. So this 0 cannot come on this place, because if 0 will come at this place, so this would be the 5-digit number, not 6-digit number. Fine. So 0 can come in any one of the places. Rest of the 5 places. Okay. So to fill this place, you have 5 choices. For this place, you have 4. For this place, 2, 3, and 1. So 5 factorial will be the answer. Okay. So this position is only one position is you have to fix, fine, and next 5 position for filling the 5 position, you can have a choices like this. Okay. Suppose we are fixing 0 here. So here you have a 5 choices. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this 5 factorial will come, that is equals to 120. So this is a solution of a question number 5. Fine. Now, the English question number 6 we are solving here. The English alphabet has 5 vowels, 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 2 different consonants can be formed from the alphabets? So there are total 5 vowels. So you have a choice for 2. Fine. Into consonants, you 21 consonants, you have a choice for 2. Fine. So now you have arranged 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this is for vowels, and here total you have a 4 words, 2 vowels and 2 consonants, which you have choose. For this place you have 4 choices. For this place you have 3, 2 and 1. जो भी आपने दो vowels और 2 consonant चूज कर रहे हैं, इन चारों को भी तो आप इन अलग अलग वे से अरेंज कर सकते हो. मान लो इन चारों में से मैंने इसको फिक्स कर दिया पहले नंबर्स को, तो पहले के लिए चॉइस आपकी होगी 4. फिर एक फिक्स हो गया, बाकी आपके पास 3 नंबर्स बचे हैं यहाँ पर. तो 3 जो है उसके लिए यहाँ पे जो नेक्स्ट प्लेसेस के लिए आपके पास 3 चॉइसेस हो गई. देन 2 देन 1. सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 4 फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है. So this is a solution of a question number 6. Children, if you are not getting this, please ask. Okay. So this chapter is tricky. I know. So if you will not understand, so you will lose the marks. I will give you the question from NCERT only. Don't worry about it. Okay. In final exam, you will get the question from the NCERT of this chapter. So this chapter is little bit tricky. Fine. So try to understand why I'm writing 4 factorial, why I'm writing this and this. So try to understand. So when you will solve this, you will get the required answer. Okay. So now rest of the question we will solve in the next class, children. Fine. So up to this, please solve. So इसके बाद मैं नहीं करा रहा क्योंकि वीडियो फिर लंबा हो जाएगा और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे. So सिर्फ 6 क्वेश्चन मैंने कराए हैं. उन 6 क्वेश्चन को आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. ठीक है. इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी डाउट्स, सो यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. ओके. बाय बाय चिल्ड्रन. Take care.